Hey guys, just look back behind me, that's the centre of Parramatta shops. So I've just walked up from the square, Church Street, this is Church Street, and the square down in Parramatta, the library, and it's been awesome. It's great, it's wonderful. It's actually quiet around at this time because I don't think this is the busy area of Parramatta. This looks like the quiet side. So yeah, heading up to the top. As you can see. So apparently they have a new train line coming up, so looking forward to that. I won't be here, I guess, when it's up, but the next time I do come through here, it'll certainly be up. So yep, this is Parramatta, and I'm heading to the north of Parramatta. Well, north Parramatta is west, of course, of Sydney, but you got North Parramatta, West Parramatta, so my son lives in, and his wife lives in Guildford. So it's a beautiful place actually. Buildings are amazing. So yeah, there's going to be a new tram line coming through the middle here. Just behind me. That's a tram line that's waiting to be open, I think in the next couple of months. Yeah. I reckon it'll be easy to catch transport into the city once that's up. Yes, just did a bit of a longer walk than I should. Got lost down there and trying to follow the app. It's not that good when you're walking. So this is still my journey, this is still my trip over here from Auckland, Gold Coast, now in Parramatta. And so I take videos from where I am, and I think it's quite interesting. Absolutely. Loving and enjoying this quality time over here. Just behind me, heading back that way. Yep. So it's looking good, guys, looking good. Coming into early evening here. I think it's around about maybe 4 in the afternoon. It's getting dark earlier, but yes, as I'll take you for a round. Going up behind me, and that's just behind me there. This is in Parramatta. Wonderful. Okay guys, thank you for joining me again. I'll catch you again on my next video. Cheers for now. This is Lily. And subscribe to my page. Good to see you again. Bye.